Ikaw, gusto mo bang maintindihan ano talaga mission mo sa buhay? If we believe and we are truly Christians, His mission is our mission. Kaya walang dahilan ng Christian na wala siyang mission sa buhay. Kaya nagugulat ako naming mga kabataan ngayon na di-depressed, walang mission eh. Kaya nakukonsumi talaga sila. Kasi pag wala kang mission, for sure, you have no direction in life, you will always question yourself, ba't ba ako nabubuhay? We have a mission. We are a people of mission. So Jesus said to them again, "Peace be with you. As the Father has sent me, I also send you." Now, if we truly understand Christianity, we are meant to continue the work that Jesus has started because we are the body of Christ. Tayo po yung katawan ni Kristo. Tayo po yung kamay ni Kristo. Tayo yung paa ni Kristo because He is the head. Kaya hindi tayo basta pumapasok sa isang lugar na hindi natin iniunawa kasi meron tayong mission.